guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with another video on this review right here. So let's go ahead and get into the video. We're gonna go ahead and do this video on Zulay nail glue, you guys. This is what the packaging looks like. I like it, very simple, very the bling adhesive. It even has the Z on there. It has it with the stone, so I think that is super cute. And yeah, you guys could look them up on Instagram and you guys will be able to find them. If you guys see my videos and stuff and if you see this in a picture, it will be up on my IG. Okay, so basically what I really wanted to talk to you guys about was basically like what I think of the product, how I use the product, how it works for me, how it didn't work for me, problems I had with it, problems that I heard other people had. So let's go ahead and jump in and let's talk about it. So basically they were just saying that it glued shut in after 2 weeks of using it, and you guys just have to be really mindful of when you guys are using just any type of adhesive is that it has a chance of gluing shut if you guys aren't storing it right. You just really need to be careful and be mindful when you guys are putting away your stuff and making sure that you aren't gluing it shut. I do want to show you guys how long I have been using it. So it got shipped to me on 7/10. You guys could, I don't know if you guys could see that right there, but it's basically my receipt from Zulay glue. This glue was $10 even, plus tax. So the glue, so the way it dries is completely different on different surfaces. So what I want to talk about is shipping. She actually shipped it pretty quick, which I was super happy about. I know some people, they like to know that. Shipping was really good. And then another thing was that the product that I got, honestly, mine didn't come stuck, so that was a plus too, is that I didn't receive it like damaged or nothing. It was in a bubble wrap and stuff. I wish I would have did an unboxing for you guys just so you guys could see how the packaging was. It was pretty good. And then after, for the glue itself, I do feel like on different surfaces it does dry different. So if you guys are just applying it directly to acrylic colored nails and there's no top coat on it whatsoever, it does tend to dry a little bit faster. And if you're putting it over a gel top coat, I do feel like it kind of takes a second to dry, but she does also offer the Mia Secret nail gel resin activator. This stuff is great. And so after you apply this on the nails, you're just going to want to spritz it with this. A little spritz goes a long way. You don't need to like, you could just do one spray and you're good to go. So that is really good with that. But a thing that I found every time I did use this, I did notice that when I would use the resin activator, I do feel like the stones would kind of come off kind of quick, which I wasn't too crazy about just because of the fact that, I don't know, you want your stones to stay on. I want my clients to come back with their stones. I want to be the one to take off their stones. I don't want them to think that they're going to get stones and just be prepared for them to fall off. So I really try to do my best in making sure that the longevity of the stones, they stay on there and they're not going nowhere until their next appointment when I have to pry them off. This product didn't work for me is there was one time where I didn't spray the resin activator really fast on it, and it ended up the stones kind of just ended up moving away, like moving around. But because my client, she really talks with her hands a lot, and so when she was talking with her hands, then she looked down and the stones, they were all moved. But luckily the resin was still wet, so I was still able to like move it into its place. It does say that with the resin you should refrigerate it, so I don't know if maybe that's the reason why. Another thing that I wanted to talk about was basically if I do spray, so if I just put the gel, if I put a gel top coat and then I place the resin over it, and then after to cure it I will spray the Mia Secret, I do feel like the next time they come in, I don't feel like the longevity of the stones, it will last as long. So I'm going to show you guys in just a second on how I personally love to apply my nail glue, because I feel like it ends up like my stones, my clients come back, they're still on, and even the larger stones, because even sometimes with some people, they're afraid to get the larger stones because they're afraid that they're going to come off. No, girl, these things stay on, and they stay on good. So I'm super excited to show you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my method and how I really like to apply them, because they come back with their stones on the next time they come. So stay tuned, you guys. I am super excited for this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. How do you guys use this glue? Do you guys use this glue? Is this a glue that you guys wanted to try? Let me know. Comment down below, and make sure to hit that like button. It does help with the YouTube algorithm. It helps my video reach out there and get out to more people, and to basically help another nail tech that might not want to spend the money on a nail glue to try it out. And so I'm the guinea pig, actually. Me and my clients are, thankfully. So if you guys are my clients, thank you so much for always letting me try new things on you. It helps so much. And you guys are able to honestly give me honest reviews about, even my clients, they come back, they let me know if they like it, they don't like it. So it's not only me reviewing it for you, it's technically also my clients. So let's go ahead and show you guys how this works. Make sure to hit that like button and the notification bell, and it will let you know every time I post a new video. And we're gonna go ahead and do one coat of that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this in the light for 30 seconds. And this color, it's called With the Sauce. This layer it hardly has any stick to it. It has very little. So what I wanted to do was actually use these ones right here. I was just gonna grab a few out of there, and then I am going to go ahead and throw some of these ones in here, or you know what? And then I'm going to put some of these ones in here. Okay, so what I like to do is I'm going to go ahead and get this Zulay glue. I'm going to go ahead and just design this nail. And what I'm going to basically do is I'm going to go ahead and dot all the way across. And then I'm going to get some of these as well out. I'm using 3 different sizes, and then this wax pencil. This wax pencil I did get from Montage Nail Supplies. I did get another one from there, but at the beginning I did really like it, and then after I felt like it just ended up getting kind of, I don't know what happened, but I think I just wanted something more simpler, I guess. And I had to go back and apply again. Okay, and then now what I'm gonna do is go up and do a little bit of a second layer. Go ahead and put this right here. Okay, so then now what I'm going to do is going to get the medium sized stones. I'm going to put a smaller one right here. I want them a little bit off center. I don't want them exactly the same. And these ones I'm going to disperse them even more. Oh shoot, that one went upside down. And so this is how I did it. And you guys, some of them, they are still moving. I don't know if you guys could see that. I don't want to swipe it across the nail, but I will try and let this dry by itself. And let me go ahead and see if these are moving. Usually this is what I'll do, is I'll try to shift them a little bit and see if they'll move. If not, I will apply the spray and just do one spritz. You guys don't really need that much of the resin activator. I'm actually kind of thinking maybe I should do another stone right here. Okay, so this is what it's looking like, you guys. This looks so freaking beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry for a little bit. I'm gonna put these stones away. Okay, so what we are gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and get this glue. You guys could get pretty much any glue of your choice. I'm gonna actually go ahead and use the montage nails. I prefer to use one that doesn't have a dispersion layer, just because of the fact that I really don't want any, I don't want to have, so I really try to choose one that doesn't have any type of dispersion layer, just because of the fact I really don't want to have to go and try and wipe it all down, just because I feel like that's kind of a pain for me. But if that's all you have, go ahead by all means. And I like this, the montage nail brush, for this in particular, for this type of design, just because of the fact that it is thinner and I'm able to go around the stones without getting top coat on the nails. So I know this is kind of tedious, but I promise you that it is worth it. Your clients will come back with their stones on, and they will love you for that. Every time I have a client that they come, like, I feel like the clients, they'll come back and they'll be like, oh my gosh, Lorena, look, none of my stones came off, you know? Okay, so in these really hard to reach places, what I also like to do, just so I don't end up getting any top coat on my stones, what I like to do is just go in with a thin brush and get as close as them as I can. Okay, so another thing that I like to do is just to kind of let it settle, just because I really don't like it when, if you cure it too fast, the nails, you're gonna find that there will be like streaks or whatever, and it won't allow the product to settle. So you allowing it to settle will allow it to go and flow where it needs to go without, even if you did get a little bit on the stones, it will also allow that, if you did get any on the stones, it will allow it to flow off and kind of like go around the outside of the stone, so allowing it to hold that stone even better. So let it sit just for a second. You don't have to cure it right away. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the light for 30 seconds, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out and show you guys what it looks like and how amazing it is, and how long they last. You guys, doing it this way will really help you guys make sure that it lasts a really long time, and your clients will come back and love you for making sure that their stones don't fall off. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Let me put cuticle oil, just because, you know, this one, if you guys haven't tried the lavender, like just any type of lavender cuticle oil, oh my gosh, you guys need to try it. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. So this is what it's looking like. You guys could kind of see like it raises up a little bit around there, but yes, it came out super pretty, and your clients will love you for allowing their stones not to come off. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. What's your guys' favorite glue? What glue do you guys use, and does it make your stones last until their next visit, and how many weeks do they go? Make sure to leave that comment down below. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that bell button down below so you guys are notified every time I do post a new video. And stay tuned on my Instagram. I do have a lot of plans to do a lot more videos on my Instagram, so if you guys aren't following me already, make sure to check that out, just because there is more to come on there. So As usual, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as usual, I'll be back with more videos. Bye!